Hey people, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Palash and today I'll take you one of the oldest yet less crowded place in Jaipur. And there I'm going to unbox my new GoPro Hero 11. So let's go. So this place is called Galtaji Temple. This is a 15th century temple where yogis come and meditate. ये जो मंदिर है गलताजी टेम्पल, ये अपने नेचुरल स्प्रिंग्स के लिए भी फेमस है क्योंकि यहाँ के कुंड में जो पानी है वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता. और उसके अलावा आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मंकीज भी मिलेंगे. यू कैन फीड देम ऑल्सो. So now we are heading to the trek to the Sun Temple, and there we are going to unbox my new GoPro Hero 11. So after a trek, I reached that location. I thought this one is the best location for performing the unboxing for my new GoPro Hero 11. So here is the beast, the new GoPro Hero 11. Now I am able to make more stable videos and more quality videos. With it, this is the thing, I don't know for what it is. This is for bike mount, I don't know, but maybe I'm correct or maybe I'm not. I'll figure it out. Leave it. And got one enduro battery. This is gonna stay for at least 2 hours. And that's for the helmet mount. I definitely know this is for the helmet mount. And that's the screw. We can use it for holding it on gimbal. That's the GoPro cable with the branding on it. And got some stickers. So let's start it by putting the battery in it. Oh shit, battery dead. But no problem, I'll take you to the whole Jaipur tour with my new GoPro Hero 11 in the next video. But before that, you can come and see the whole city view from the Sun Temple with me. And that's it for the video. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. and do consider subscribe